Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome back to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles. We're going to talk about the leg pull. So this one is typically the second one in the series of them. There's a fancy transition into it, which I will show you. And then there's a fancy transition out of it into the kneeling side kick. So we'll kind of show you both in case you are working on flowing your mat exercises together. And if you are really wanting to flow them together, you should join me every week on my classes. There's a new class every week and it's less than 30 minutes and we flow all this in there. And these ones are ones that are loved to be hated, this little section of exercises, but it's really just about putting everything you've already done together into an exercise. So this exercise we're about to do isn't anything you haven't done. You've done single straight leg stretch, which is also called the scissors, right? So kicking one leg up and another leg up, you've done that. You also did the double leg stretch where the legs are more distal and both of them, and they're very heavy. So you've done that. You've done shoulder bridge. You've lifted your booty into the air. You've done that. You've stood on your arms in your leg pull front so you can stand on your arms. You've also done your hip circle. So you've reached your arms back. So you've been able to do that. And then don't forget the double leg kick was in there to really help stretch all of this. So by the time you get to this exercise, your body has been prepared by the work to be able to do it. If you still can't do it, that's okay. There's nothing wrong. It just means you have to get stronger. That's all it is, right? So you would be coming from your leg pull front. One hand kind of comes in, the other hand comes through and turns. Its leg comes through, so I'm standing on my right arm and my right foot. I'm pivoting on my heels. I'm lifting everything up and I adjust. Now, you can do this two ways. Ideally, your hips are way up here when you do it. I'm still working on being able to stand on my back and in my seat, so I'm a little more here. It's totally fun. You can also just hold it. That would work out, and you can lower down and you can lift up, right? What you don't want to do is walk out so much that you're not connected to here. So you're going to be on your back, your hips are up either here or higher, and then you reach one leg away, kick it up. Other leg away, kick it up. I actually don't care how high the leg comes. I care how long the leg reaches. You do about 3 each side, then you sweep one leg through, turn the other hand around, shoulder over, wrist, hip over knee, hand on top of head, and you're ready for your next exercise. It's really, really fun. So it's a strong booty exercise, strong open back exercise. If you're super tight in your chest, you want to focus on those exercises that help open that up to make this one more accessible. If you're super weak in your seat, you don't want to focus on doing things like that. If your knees like to hyperextend, they're going to feel very bent to you in this exercise to make it happen. And then, for 90 days, I would do this exercise every day and I would never kick a leg up. I would just think about it. I would push into my right leg and think about my left leg getting lighter. I'd push into my left leg and think about my right leg getting lighter. Push, 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 push. And then eventually, the leg just lifted up. It was no problem, okay? So if you have questions, want some help on it, comment below. I'm here for you. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.